Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are on Mountain Island Lake in, I don't know where we are, Gaston County, somewhere in North Carolina. But as you can tell, it's raining. Obviously, it's raining. It was not supposed to rain today, but it has been raining. But we're not going to let that stop us. We're going to go catch some fish. So let's get to it. Scared me, man. He was right at the boat. Man, look how long that is. Skinny and long. Man. I bet you that would probably measure at a tournament, even though he ain't a half a pound. Yeah, that definitely measured at a tournament. That's 13 inches. Yeah, that's easily 13 inches. Look how skinny that is. All right, let's get him back in the water. We have a very special guest today coming in via the shout out request line. This guy is a singer, songwriter, musician, actor, comedian. Guy does it all. Goes by the name of SkidMarkMillhouse. Take it away, SkidMark.
Well, I watch you bite fishing cause I ain't no fool. Old Josh could catch a fish out of his swimming pool. A bite fishing. What's up, everybody? I'm SkidMarkMillhouse, and it's time for Tackle Roundup.
Oh, SkidMark even wrote a song. Thank you, SkidMark, for that introduction. Today, I'm going to go over what we're using on the Tackle Roundup. Hopefully you can hear me. There's a Highway 16 goes right by this boat launch and it's incredibly loud. But what we're using today is this. This is the True South Custom Lures V-Twin Buzzbait. This is actually the buzzbait that I got from the Emerald School of Excellence QCKBF charity event. That's what I'm using, and as a trailer, using the 3.5 inch Big Bite Baits cane thumper in Real Shad. That's the name of that color. And that's what I'm using. Now, I have a weakness as a human being, and that is if I get even one topwater bite, like first thing in the morning, I'm like, that's it, I'm doing topwater all day long. So I've been out here fishing this, and I've fished that buzzbait probably longer than I should, but you know, it's one of those, it's hard to put down, so it's like always like, just one more cast with it, So that's what I've been using. It's probably gonna be about time to start switching up because things have kind of died down significantly. But let's see if we can round up a couple more fish on this, the True South Custom Lures V-Twin Buzzbait. And that concludes today's Tackle Roundup. There we go. right. Another, these are the longest fish. Man alive, he's tiny. That would probably measure in a bass tournament. Right at 12. Man alive. Long and skinny. Let's get him back in the water here. Been the best one of the day right there. Hold on, bud. I'm just gonna show you off to the camera here. That's hold on, bud. There we go. I think that's been the best one of the day right there. Look at him. Let's put him in the get him back in the water. Well, hey guys, I am going to wrap it up for today. Had a really good time out here at Mountain Island Lake. One of the things that I really didn't talk too much about, that I find really cool, is there is a lot of variety as far as what you can do out here. I came around initially, I don't know if you can see that far out there, but that's where I started my day, on that side of the lake. Pretty developed, and it's just dock after dock after dock. And if you're a regular to this show, you know that that is not my thing. And so I was fishing docks all morning. However, you go to the other side of the lake. I don't know if that's a park or what that is over there, but it's all natural and all undeveloped, which is more my bag. So you got a wide variety of things to do out here, which I find really cool. Unfortunately, I was only able to round up those 3 fish. Those were like the longest, lankiest fish I've ever seen. But I've heard they're pretty long and lanky out here, and yeah, that's been confirmed. So, anyways, I'm gonna head out. Again, if you'd like to know more about this fishing spot, you can look down in the description box. I'm gonna put some additional information down there. But while you're there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Channel's updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. Also, if you'd like to be featured, like SkidMarkMillhouse was in the tackle roundup, I'm gonna leave a link up here at the top. Just click on that, and that'll show you how to submit your own video to be featured in the tackle roundup. I think that's everything, but I will be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing.
Well, I watch Abide Fishing 'cause I ain't no fool. Old Josh can catch a fish out of his swimming pool. Abide Fishing.